What is the wisdom in a single phrase? Words on a page, letters rearranged to create a key for your cage. And what are words anyway? In fact, they are simply squiggles and lines. They vainly try to represent the feelings and fine ribbons between yours and mine, until we bind and we're locked in the rhythms of our star signs. Or so we think. But fate is a misunderstanding derived by those who have trouble landing on the runway of their habits, most of them bad and the other ones fanned by the devotees of excuses and self-inflating baggage. But still, I try and try and try to find the wisdom in a few lines, but only a few, and only those written by the true sages of the past and present day. Just meditate on the sound of the phrases, find the meaning in the oscillations. We're all energized waves, vibrating charades on this scintillating earth stage. Audible words converge, merge, and lose understanding with a power surge. True comprehension is unheard. Silence is a high-flying bird, omnipresent and sure. It's the only one with a literal visual of the metaphysical. Not mystical, but scientifically proven to each one his own. Tried and tested in the laboratory of perception alone. To keep striving is the mission of us all. Again and again, different temples, different homes, until we truly cognize that we are more than just skin and bone. We are more than just sketches, more than this experience we see. What we really are is more than we can believe. You can't intellectualize, you have to experience it firsthand, even if it takes 1,000,000 years to understand. The separation is excruciating. If you want to make it, you must tap into the latent power in all creation. Before long, you'll find that never before had you been wakened. Let it be. Let yourself be free. Conquer consciousness. Be still. Just be. And finally, you'll be permitted to leave. Tear up the ego's treaty and leave it behind with all your other attachments and insecurities. It's not a complicated feat, but it's the greatest nonetheless. Everyone's got their own shit to deal with. Forget all your excuses, all your I wishes. Forget your dream inhibitions and go live them. Inevitable, yet incredible, so much so that we get sucked into it. Desires, burning fires, drawing us back again and again into delusion. But the fusion is the base of our confusion. The fusion between this illusion and the reality that is the root of being human. Remember what the truth is, and work tirelessly to move it from speculation to concrete evidence. Stillness is the prescription for all illness, with clarity as the only side effect. Sit quietly and listen to the nothing that is everything and the everything that is one thing. Identify and slip into the state of effortless breathlessness, in the world but not of it. Awake.